Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to make a PowerPoint using VBA-code generated by ChatGPT. This one is in English and is focused on Mac users. First of all, open ChatGPT. You can write a prompt similar to this one. I want you to write me VBA code for a PowerPoint presentation about the history of biology. You are to fill in the text with your own knowledge, no placeholders. I need 5 slides. The one that I'm using today is this one. It's just since we're learning about AI, I want it about the history of artificial intelligence. For the rest, everything is the same. You copy the code and you go to PowerPoint, go to Tools, Visual Basic Editor. The code already is here because I pasted it there already for you, but you can just, I can show you how you do it one more time. You just add a new one, you paste the code here, you run it, and then you view up here, go to Tools, Macros, you select the one that you made. Let's do this one. Boom, there it is. Now let's pretty it up by opening Designer. This one is nice. That one's pretty good. And boom, there's your basic PowerPoint. Of course, it doesn't do all the work. You still need to edit, add some text. You can also do that in the code or by sort of tweaking your prompt. It will be better because now it was making everything up. But that's pretty much it. Good luck trying it out.